This is my toolbox to my GS1200. I put this on the crash bar beneath the head of the on top of the front wheel. There is a perfect spot for this. In this box, it's the OtterBox. It's rock solid. I have seen YouTube videos where they kind of try to kill this one, and they can't do it even with a hammer. I can't say if it's readable here, but it's the model 3250. The OtterBox, and this box is waterproof and it's unbreakable. In it you have a kind of a soft inner lining in it. That means that things are pretty stiff in there. In this one I have kind of everything that I have read in the GS manual that is needed. So this is a cutter. The drill is good to have, that I can put on this just in case. Just good to have. If you want a third hand of something, this one can close a tube or something. This one is for if you need to fix your spark plug or adjust your valves or something. Always good to have. This, and I go for the 3/8 socket. I think that is the proper one. The smaller one is too weak and the big one is too bulky, too heavy. Extension for that one. This is for the spark plug, and as that is the full half-inch one, I have this little adapter. If I can find this one in the 3/8 one, I will buy it. Also have these kind of tools, and it's 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 tire wrench, change the tire. This, just in case, maybe not needed. Screwdriver, 2 models. This is just because I can't find a proper number 10. So when I find one in this size, number 10, with this, I will change this one. So this is stupid. This one is the 924/22. This you need to take off the front tire. And a whole set of these. If I would say to you in Swedish what they are called in Swedish, you will be scared. It's in 6 nycklar. Sounds a bit crazy in English, but it's not that crazy. And in these, it's the 16 for the spark plug. It's number 10, 12, 13, 8, 11. So it's almost all the way up there. And these are these. And it's kind of some kind of inverted torques. And you need number 8 and you need number 10. This one is to be able to put on the bits. This is the kind of a little bigger bits. And in Torx bits you need 55, 50, 45, 40, and you need, I'll try to get them in order here. So it should be 30, then you should have 27, then it's 25, 20, 15 and a 10. This one is the small one for electrical power sockets, because I think this one is a little too big. That's why. I don't know if it's needed or not. And to be able to have these smaller ones, as I haven't found 27 in this bigger one, so then I have 2 of these that has the normal size. So this is the thingy to be able to use those, and this one is the adapter to get those on. And last but not all, the old-fashioned, whatever it's called, Bacco, Swedish. And this one can get pretty big, pretty small, and it has this kind of thing. If you get one nut that is, if a nut loses his head, or if you lose your head and get nuts, you can use this one. So that is pretty much it, and all of this I managed to get into these boxes. So I'll try to just get everything in again. So I don't know, I always start with the bigger stuff first. Some order in the box. So. Then it's pretty much just to get these ones wherever they fit. That's it. And this case is waterproof, so it should stay in here and be waterproof. And as it's to measure it weight-wise, and to see the weight, just so I weighed in at 3 kilos, almost 3 kilos. Don't forget that there's a strap to this one as well. I will just use one of these straps and one big ass one of these, not big ass but bigger at least, to go around. And I will use these so it will sit very firmly. So I will take a quick shot of me moving it around when I got it nice and tight on the bike. That is it, my tool case. So, my box is in place. Now I will show you how steady it is. You see, it's this thing is moving more, these kind of things, but the box is, that's enough, steady enough. And steering wise, I don't know if you can see it good in the camera, but I will try to show you. Now you can see. You can see the clearance behind her. So it's no problem. And it's waterproof, bulletproof, bomb-proof,